This is typical, really, for us, the two of us.
Look how...
What is that?
She's a bag of pudding, actually.
So we all of a sudden have a fabulous looking leak or something coming. There's a lot of water in our boat. So we're taking the boat out today with our friends Mish and Lainey.
Hello.
Woo, Mish. And this is Lainey. Hello. Okay, so I think we're pretty much ready to go. We're just, yeah, man, it's really hot, like humid it feels like.
Yeah, I'll actually just scooch forward to snuggle and get Lainey to tighten up on that a bit, maybe. Okay, you want that? Don't push us too far, remember, because you'll just push us too far. And
So just make sure that Lainey's got a heads up on when she's
yeah,
letting go.
for sure. Okay. You ready, Lainey? Okay, Steph. Give us a shove.
And I might let go.
No, not yet. Okay.
Let's
So
go.
easing out. Like you mean it, Steph. Go. Try harder.
Oh, watch your hand, bud. No worries. From the staff taking the boat apart.
Is this okay, Luke?
What? We'll fix it when we get out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it scared me. I don't know why the boat hooked. It just like, I could not push. Whew. How was that?
Let's get deep again.
We're still in the shallow. Like,
4 feet.
oh, yeah, we're almost across. Okay, 9 feet.
Yeah.
We're good.
We made it.
Look at that pirate. Yeah, and then head straight for the red
Yeah.
one. What happened to our Bimini?
Someone didn't push our boat out far enough when we were backing out of the spot, and we had to sacrifice our hands between the Bimini and someone's boat, and the Bimini fell off.
Well, I tried. I don't know why it wouldn't let me. I just wasn't strong enough, I guess. I don't know. It wasn't a very good angle that I was pushing at.
No,
though,
it wasn't. I was
so
like, why are you pushing from the middle?
I don't know.
Whatever.
It's okay though now?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Oh, that's good.
No, Steph, we could hook our safety lines back on now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
There's like a forest of it right there, so you like sneak out between the kelp over here and Basket Rock on the other side.
You pretty much just go straight out, head towards the States.
Yeah.
Does he have it? Yeah, he does. Now we have the room.
Someone left the toilet the wrong way.
Oh, shit. Hello. So we all of a sudden have a fabulous looking leak or something coming. There's a lot of water in our boat. And there's our friend Gordy. What is it? Are we sinking?
I don't think we're thinking.
Does more water just keep coming out?
That's not good. Wow. We should probably talk to Gordon.
So if you guys want a little update, we had a bit of a freak out moment. We just got the sails up and we started to heel over pretty good, and a bunch of water started flowing out of the bathroom. It looked like quite a lot of water.
So,
Do you want to explain quick?
oh, before I get sick from being down here working while the boat's rocking.
Here, I'll do this.
Hey, so this little guy, I was just looking at him the other day and I was like, he's all full of rocks and stuff, so I pulled him out and cleaned it and put it back in, and it looks like I just didn't tighten it enough and the water was coming into this compartment and then flooding.
Right, so we've got everything dried out now. We're drying out. We're gonna try putting out the sails again and hopefully no more water will flow into our boat.
Again!
Alright.
Okay, let's shut this down.
So we pulled the sails back out for a second time, hoping that we solved the water issue. Sadly, the moment we heeled over again, the water came rushing back in. As much as we were looking forward to taking our friends out for an afternoon on the water, we would rather do it when there is less of a chance of sinking. So we headed back in. We're going to talk about our leaky thing.
So I showed the leak thing before, didn't I?
Yeah, but we had like three different theories.
Okay, so my latest theory is one of our, what are they called? Keel bolts. Well, the keel bolts is leaking now because we bumped into a little sandbar out there, and now it's causing some problems. So I bought this and put it in there, so it's plugging that hole. So it's not like water was pouring up out of the hole; it was just about halfway down and sitting there, and yeah.
It poured out when we were heeled over.
Yeah, it only poured out when we heeled over. When we were flat, it was fine, but still not quite the way it's supposed to be. So we have to still do a haul out and reseat the keel and all that good stuff later.
As long as we can plug it and go sailing and...
Yeah, if we can plug it for now, we can still go sailing. I'm still going to get either me or a friend of ours to go and dive underneath the boat and actually physically look at it. Because if there's like a 1-inch gap or something stupid like that, then we're not going sailing.
So yeah, our friend Mitchell is here and he's going to dive on the keel for us. He actually has a weight belt and stuff so he can actually get down there and see what's going on. And our friend Ryan is on his way here right now. I can hear his bike driving down the road.
I missed you guys. Oh. Hey.
This is Ryan.
I don't know how long we've been out here now, but Ryan's caught a fish. I think it's small. That's where the end is.
He's huge! He's huge!
It's so huge.
Monsters!
So heavy. Okay.
Number 2!
I'm waiting for the big one. I'm not messing around with the tiny fish. Okay, Ryan's caught 3 fish now.
And they're all monsters!
And I've got 0, but that's pretty much the same as him, so.
Whatever.
Okay. His fish are 0s. So we got distracted and actually I went through a kelp bed and then pulled up our kelp. And Ryan had a fish hiding in his kelp.
Another monster.
And then I actually caught one.
About time.
This is typical, really, for us, the 2 of us.
Look how...
He got off the hook. At least he's in the boat.
Yeah, watch the quills.
Yeah. I can't fish.
Wait. So Luke and Ryan just got back from fishing and our crab trap went missing last night or whatever. We thought someone had stole it and they just went, took the boat and checked and it had drifted like way far, and when they pulled it up, it had, I don't know what you call it, a critter? A creature stuck in it?
Oh, it feels so
my
nasty.
gosh. What is that?
She's a bag of pudding, actually.
That actually is like a, oh my god!
Yuck. Gross.
Is that like is it a sea cucumber? I don't understand.
Oh, I think it's actually a sea slug.
A sea slug. I didn't
Yeah.
even know those existed.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh, that's nice.
So there's this like rock opera thing happening just like a couple docks down at the government dock, and it's on a tall ship. So we're gonna take our little dinghy over there and check it out, supposed to be pretty cool. It's called Nomadic Tempest. So yeah. And hopefully our dinghy starts. It's having some troubles, I can hear it.
Going to sneak into the opera.
Little, what did we say? A nighttime opportunity? You guys are dorks.
Clever, actually, is the word you're looking for. What do you think?
I don't know what they're talking about, but it is neat. I think it's something about oil and how people are destroying the world with fossil fuels and all that stuff. It's pretty cool.
Time for bed.
What are they?
What? It's so weird.
Are they fish? Yeah. Or are they like little shrimps? Oh, they just like ran right into my hand.
What?
Ew.
Oh, are they like leeches?
They're like wormy things.
What? That is bizarre.
Ew. Steph's just doing her daily ritual, and it's funny. She goes for a run, buys a big thing of pastries, and then goes swimming in the ocean.
You're not supposed to remember the pastries.
Oh, never mind the pastries. You can do it.
It literally takes your breath away.
Go and get your hair all nice. You look so concerned.
I'm concerned. I can't feel my legs.
Every morning. If any of you guys know if there's a good anchor dragging alarm app,
Or if you guys have any tips for anchoring that are kind of like idiot proof to help from not dragging.
let us know. Because I'm scared to go to sleep and not have one.